Hey guys, today we're gonna be trying out sound effects in Super Mario Maker. And this map is related to my last video. Yeah. 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 This one. Wait, I think it's raining right now. Wait, what's this? What's this song? I think I can't even hear it over the sound I'm going through. I made the scary sound because obviously who doesn't like when Bowser acts scary? Tell me one person who doesn't like Bowser having a scary theme. Next up, I'm gonna add this. Oh, right here. I'm putting this in random places because I can, obviously. And also, I'm sorry for not posting for 13 days. Also, technoblade died the same day I made my last post. Oh, I'll miss him. I just want to cancel. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know how much song. Okay, what is happening? I literally don't know what is happening right now. But I'm gonna add even more sound effects, and I can't even fit the camera. Because, also, I moved into my new house. Because I moved. Okay, right here. Also, let's do the peaceful stuff. I don't know why I'm doing that. Meanwhile, I go into it. Mario Maker sounds just. Mario Maker sounds like adding more. It just makes it weird. Yeah. That's just so weird. Yeah, it's just so weird. Okay, time to add more sound effects. Okay. I don't know what I'm even doing. What is this? What have I done? What have I done? Okay, let's see what it sounds like now. Okay, now everything is just messed up. Hey, yo! I left my car! I don't know what sounds even do to you. What do Super Mario Maker sounds even do to you? Tell me in the comments. Or, if nobody knows, I don't care. Okay, so that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and now I miss Technoblade. So, yeah. Bye.